Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really neat kind of material cutter from HOTO. Thank you guys for sending this. This is a really nice case that this comes in, but the actual unit itself, like many of their other products, is really on point. I mean, they've got this figured out. Nice ergonomic handle on here. Got a push button there. You charge it up on the bottom with the provided USB-A to C cable, which is nice. But this thing has a nice hardened steel blade on this, and something I haven't seen in one of these before is an actual built-in sharpener into this, which is cool as well. So to activate it, I'm just going to push on this piece here. It gives you the indicator for the percentage of battery life. Push on that part there, and it simply spins around. That kind of activates a little feature there, and you can just hold on to it and it'll cut. You also have a boost mode, so as it's going, you can push this boost mode and it actually will boost it to actually run it up to 285 RPM on this thing here. But just to give you an idea of how sharp and how well this works, this is a piece of cardboard. I mean, that's even without boost mode on there, which, I mean, it just chewed right through it, cut it nicely on there. Then you've also got the ability to start this thing and actually flip it to sharpen. And it actually sharpens that blade. So, this blade can give you a good up to 6 months worth of life on this single blade, which is really pretty incredible. Should last a long time and cut anything from material to cardboard to paper, anything to help save your hands and save you some time. It's a nice product.